In today's video, I'm gonna use AI to create 5 different apps that every designer needs to use. So I'm gonna do all this in just 10 minutes. Now let's get started. I'm gonna start by typing create an ASCII art converter to image. Okay, so we have a nice shiny design. It looks interesting. I'm gonna open it in a new tab to see it better. And I'm gonna click on this upload icon illustration to upload an image. Alright, and now all I have to do is click on convert to ASCII. So, okay, this one is actually much better. So can I save this image? I'm gonna click on save as. And this is super cool, guys. I really like this. So this one, I don't know why it looks like this, to be honest, but I'm fine with this one. So I'm gonna keep this on the side and I'm gonna create a new component by clicking on this plus icon. And next I'm gonna create an interactive particles generator. So I'm gonna say create an interactive particles generator. Okay, so after a failed attempt, it managed to create this right here, which looks like fireworks. So very cool. It looks also very complex as well. Let me reset this. Okay, so let's open it in a new tab maybe. And this one is huge here, as you can see. So basically when I move my mouse, you see all these explosions, particle explosions everywhere. Now let's start to play with all of this. So you can also play with the speed apparently. Now it's much faster. I actually want it to be slower. And also with the size as well. Okay. And it even has gravity. That's really crazy. So you can also change the shape. You can change it to a square, circle, or even a heart. Cool. And here you have the emitter mode. That is on mouse. That is just a point. That is a line. It is not interactive, and it is a circle, which is also not interactive, but it animates in a circle way. So very cool, but I prefer the mouse one. And here is the color as well. So you have like single color, rainbow color, and also gradient and fire as well. Trail. Oh, now it looks much different. So the trail is this one, which looks interesting, but I think that video trail actually looks more interesting. So you also have the wind. Oh, damn, that's so many effects here, guys. I can't believe. Fireworks. Okay, so this is the fireworks. Maybe with trail looks better. Yeah, the trail looks interesting. And you also have fontaine. Okay, again, the trail looks more interesting. And sparkles. So overall, it is a top tier app, and I also like the UI and everything. So you can even hide the UI, by the way. And you can also download something. Okay, let's check it out. Nice. So we download basically the last animation here. So looks interesting. Now let's move back to Magic Path. I think that is one of the most complex things I created with Magic Path. So very cool stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna create a new component, and let's align it with this one right here, and then I'm gonna create an image to editor generator. And the third app is also finished, so now I'm gonna open it also in a new tab, and I'm gonna upload first an image. So I have this Nike shoe, and as you can see, this actually looks very cool. Now I can choose between different effects actually. So also here you have an info icon that is not that important, so I'm gonna go back to this drop down menu and let's choose a different effect. Okay, and you can even save this image as well, I see. Okay, and now order buyer, then we have also random. So overall I think that is also very cool. Let's download this image and take a look. Now let's choose a different effect, maybe this one. I see this one is more prominent, and maybe it's gonna look even better. Yeah, so this one looks also very cool. Let's move to the order buyer and see what's the difference. Okay, actually this one is my favorite. I think that this one is really cool. And here you can also change the levels, but I don't want to add this to the background. I only want to add this to the shoe. So I'm gonna actually upload in a PNG image maybe to see how it works. So let's check this out. I think it is much better. Download the image. Well, I don't see much of a big difference. So if it's lower, it means that it looks better, I see. Yeah, so this one looks so cool. I really like this. Now let's go to threshold. This one is not necessary. I can easily achieve this inside Photoshop, and then we have the random, which looks very interesting as well. It's basically some noise, I see. So yeah, overall I think that actually this one is my favorite. Even though this one is very complex, this one is very useful for me later. So another thing that I want to create is a pixelated, so I'm going to type create a pixelated background generator. In the meantime, I'm going to create a new component, and it is going to be the last for today. So I'm going to type in to create a grid generator. Nice, so let's check out this one first and then we go to the last one. So I'm gonna select this one, and this is so cool, damn. Nice, love it. And you can create all kind of arts you want. So guys, I'm gonna put this in the description below. You can have access to this project file and you can use it for yourself. So now let's close this tab and move to the last app of today. Open it in a new tab and let's see what do we have here. So we have a simple grid, I see. Let's increase this. So basically what I see here is actually a web grid. So that's not what I want actually. I want a different type of grid. So I'm gonna say I don't want a CSS grid but a SVG grid generator. Okay, so we have some interesting UI here. That's nice. Let's check it out. I like this UI, very modern and cool. So now it's this is what I wanted actually. Okay, looks cool. You can choose between different color palettes. Okay, that's nice. Damn, I like this. Very cool. And you can make this grid bigger. That is it, I guess. So yeah guys, this is how you can use Magic Path to create your own products, your own apps as a designer. I think that is very useful, especially when you don't find what you want inside Figma. Plugins Figma has, they are great, but sometimes they lack some features. You can use Magic Path for this and you can create whatever you want with a few prompts. So MagicPad is totally free. I mean, it's free up to 5 credits per day. And yeah, you can find these projects in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.